Hello, this is Jouni, and this is my short introduction, overall introduction of Opinsys technology. What we have been talking about to give you an idea what kind of general purpose we have for the tools we provide for schools. So here we have a nice my personal drawing about the system. In the center we have here the school. That's what we should concentrate on first. So first our goal is to provide economical tools how to keep the teachers happy, because having satisfied teachers is the key of improving the results, learning results from outside. There are no real other ways of doing it. So first we have Puavo service. It's a cloud service, and this is this is the key of all other things. So basically it's a system management tool. All other parts of the system are managed with Puavo. You see in your demo environment some very simple user interface to user device management, and I think you may even see integrations management there. But this is the key thing you use to control everything else. It is used to manage, deploy and distribute all components to all other parts of the system. Now let's go to the more practical things. You have a test device. It's a laptop marked in a yellow box here. But to go in sequence, we have Puavo, which is outside of the schools. It's in the internet. It's a real cloud service. Inside schools and school networks, we have school servers. They enable lots of other things, which we will go through later on, but basically what you should know about the school servers is that they make life a lot easier. They are managed through Puavo, so they are not regular independent servers like we have, most servers are. But they provide functionality, and they provide a new type of computers that we would not otherwise have. We have net-booted computers available. So basically, every single time they are booted, they get their system image from the local network. They are used as regular teacher and student computers inside computer labs, inside classrooms, connected to projectors, other accessories, smartboards, etc. The special thing is that we run a complete Linux-based system inside them, and it's the same thing with the laptops that we will cover. I will go through soon. All normal accessories are supported. You can add cameras, smartboards, audio, video, visual equipment, etc. So that's the normal computer that is used anywhere. And the question about Linux image, of course, you will have the first thing that should come into your mind is how do you run everything that you need there in your school. We have approached the problem in a way that we run 99% of all needs inside or using the open source Linux image. It has most of the functionalities the schools ever need. There are very few cases where old programs or systems may be needed, and we have tools of running them as well, but that's not our daily life. We actually often even run old computers for systems that are phasing out gradually, and if there is a need for some specific program that is not available for Linux, we will go through several options of running it, of how to run it, but normally we don't include it in the open source image, even though it is technically possible. Okay, now your test, or actually I will go bring your own devices scheme first. So basically this is what the world is now mostly. Own devices, meaning smartphones, tablets, etc. are used everywhere. We have adopted an approach where we just support them by providing excellent or the best possible network connection, print services, other local services, sometimes file sharing, etc. and learning management system, LMS level integration to the school systems. So by using the same user IDs, the same LMSs, the students and teachers can use any device whatsoever and always have a connection to the same data they have there. So we don't take own devices under our direct and complete control. It's not the way the schools want it in Europe, not in Finland and not in Switzerland. But the laptops, okay, basically they have the same functionality than normal desktop computers, meaning net-booted devices I went through earlier. But we have two modes. Shared mode is the regular school, old-fashioned school mode, where everybody shares the same set of computers, so they are not dedicated to any individual persons. But we have also the personal mode, and you have been running, or you can run your test device in the personal mode. It means that the user can also control how the system behaves and can install new programs. In all other modes, in all other devices and in shared mode laptop, the user cannot install new software or change the basic system settings because we want them to be locked down as default. You can relax the policy a bit, but this is the general idea. You don't want the users to be able to do anything or everything in your school computers, because they will break some things down there eventually. But in personal mode, you can run it as a normal user, or you can start the advanced mode or developer mode, where you can actually install any software. So this is the whole idea. We have numerous technologies. They all work as one single united system, and I just wanted to give you this introduction. So we are talking about the same things. The main things are Puavo and management of the whole complete system, and of course providing wireless networks for the schools. It enables the new things that are going on, which is your own devices for all students and teachers.